What if I told you that building a digital product is something you can do just once and sell it over and over again over the next 5 years using free traffic sources, making it 100% profit? You can make millions selling digital products like courses, booklets, PDF manuals, and more. Starting an online business means selling digital products. This is a detailed step-by-step guide to selling digital products. Let's start with an overview. We'll cover what is a digital product. We'll discuss what approach to use in research and how to build each product and how to market. We'll cover how to build a digital product step by step that you can sell right away. I'll also share the best tools and platforms that you can use. Stay tuned to the end because the last one is the most profitable. So what is a digital product? But more importantly, what makes a great digital product? Digital products range from an online course to a mobile app to a website. But most importantly, digital products solve a problem for a group of people trying to accomplish something. Digital products bridge a person from a problem to a solution to solve whatever pain they're going through. In other words, someone has a problem they want to solve. You solve that problem by closing the gap with a digital product, whether it's a course or a PDF guide or whatever you're trying to sell. Let me give you an example. Suppose you're alone and you have no hope of ever finding love or a meaningful relationship. An app like Tinder bridges that gap for people that desire a relationship. People have pain. They want to get into a relationship with someone. They use an app like Tinder to close that gap. How much would you pay? How do you find ideas for digital products? There are two approaches that I find works. If you're feeling pain somewhere in your life and you've solved it, or people seek you out to solve a pain, chances are there's an audience that has that exact same pain and would pay and benefit from that result or solution. Problem with that is that you go through all that work building a product only to find it's already been done and done better than you could ever do it, and the market's oversaturated. The second approach is to find a proven winner in a market that isn't oversaturated and bring whatever life experience that you have to that digital product so no one can steal it. Using this combination approach of finding a proven winner and bringing your life experience to it is what we'll use today. Researching proven winners. When researching winning digital products, I look to platforms like Etsy. I also use another tool. It's a paid tool. It's called Everbee, to see the money that's it's being made, how much she's making per month, and how long the product's been on the market. And that way you can see if the market is oversaturated. The first product I've found is very lucrative. I know this from experience with my grandmother, who was a huge crochet fanatic. She would get up in the morning, knit until lunch, make lunch, go back to knitting and knit all night. She actually made a doll. She claimed it looked like me. I pretended to be happy about it because I knew she had spent hundreds of hours pouring her heart and soul into it. From that experience of my grandmother, I know that people are crazy dedicated to this. I also experienced my grandmother's yelling and screaming when something didn't come out right because she had poured her heart and soul and hundreds of hours into it. And I know she wasn't the only one who has that pain. I don't know anything about crocheting or knitting, but I know that this is a digital product and it solves a problem, and a problem you can make a huge amount of money from. Don't take my word for it. Let's look at the charts. This shop is selling a pattern for these hens for $5.55, making $16,000 per month. Look at this bowl pattern, selling for $5, $6, making $15,000 a month, and it's only been around for 6 months. If you have a showstopper design, you can definitely have a chance in this market. Let's build our own. To do that, we'll have to switch to the computer. Okay, so we're on Draw Things, and this is the program that I use in the place of Midjourney. It's free on my computer. So as you can see, this is a living room I created. It's not very nice, but what we're going to do is we're going to do an ultra realistic crochet rabbit. And you're going to ask it to generate. And it's going to generate a picture. And I'll get back with you when it's done. So here we have it. So the next step is to go to Fiverr. Let's look up crochet patterns. See, they have tons of anywhere from $10 to $50. You can have someone draw you a complete pattern. It's a one-time fee and that you'll have forever and that you can sell forever on the website of your choice. Okay, let's look at another item. I have personal knowledge. I have this device called the Remarkable 2. It's a tablet, like an iPad, for reading and taking notes and sketching. I love this device because it actually feels like you're writing on paper, and it allows you to do deep work without any distractions, like the internet. All this thing does is write. No email, no YouTube, no Facebook, not even color, no distractions at all. People that own this device are crazy dedicated to productivity. They're short on time and want to limit distractions. Problem with this device is that it's literally like writing on a piece of paper. It doesn't have any organizational system to it or a way to collate your ideas. Templates solve this problem. I find that it helped me organize my thoughts and my time, having everything in one place in a tiny package. For myself, I would pay something because it cuts down on my time organizing. Again, don't trust me. Let's look at the charts. Let me show you proof that people are paying for these templates. This store is making $13,000 a month. This other one is making $7,000 and another one for $6,000. Let's look at this listing. It's by 4E Tablets. It's been around for 7 months and it's already making $5,000 per month. One problem when it comes to digital products, it's easy for someone to copy and sell the exact same thing. With these templates, people think, well, it's going to take some work. At least that's a perception. People think you have to buy the tablet, learn how to use it, figure out how to make a template. Let me tell you a secret. It's as easy as creating a document and clicking Save as PDF. And there you go. People look at it and think, forget it. I'll just move on to the next thing. It creates a barrier for people entering the market. Let's create our own template for the Remarkable 2. Again, let's go back to the computer. Notion to create our template that we can sell over and over again. So it's as easy as using pre-made template that I have for YouTube and then clicking export and save as PDF. This next one is my favorite and I think the most profitable. Maybe you're looking at videos about how to sell low content books for a huge amount. In reality, you can't just sell a blank book unless you're Moleskine. But coloring books, specifically Kawaii coloring books, are killing it. Let's look at this shop. It's making $2,000 per month. It's only been in existence for 4 months. If you look on the internet, there are tons of kawaii coloring groups on Facebook, Reddit, etc. They talk about the next release. There's definitely a market that has high demand and low competition. Let's build our own. Kawaii coloring books is as easy as going to Fiverr. The first and only step is to go to Fiverr, type in Kawaii coloring book, and pick out an artist to draw you your coloring book. It can be as cheap as $5 to $10. You can sell it on the website of your choice. Like I said, it's a digital product. There's no inventory or to stock. You can sell it on Etsy. You get 93% of the profit. Selling it on your own website, you get 100% of your profit. So how do you market digital products? The products I've shown you, you can easily sell on Etsy. The website itself has marketing because people come to the website looking for digital products. Although there are millions of people on Etsy, and you may not be able to be found, even if you have the best product in the world. If you can drive traffic to your website, you'll have many more sales. The crochet market is huge on YouTube and on Facebook and on Reddit. Remarkable 2 has a huge YouTube following. I hope you've learned something new from this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.